प्रीवियस से कंटिन्यू करेंगे. फिफ्थ स्टेट आती है प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट की. प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट. एट दिस स्टेज द कंपनी हैज़ डिसाइडेड टू इंट्रोड्यूस द न्यू प्रोडक्ट इन मार्केट. इट विल टेक ऑल नेसेसरी स्टेप्स टू प्रोड्यूस एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द न्यू प्रोडक्ट. Test marketing. It means to introduce the new product on a very small scale in a very small market. If the product is successful in this market, then it is introduced on a large scale. Test marketing reduces the risk of large scale marketing. It is a safety device. It is very time consuming. It must be done especially for costly products. Fourth है commercialization. If the test marketing is successful, then the company introduces a new product on a large scale, say all over the country. The company makes a large investment in the new product. The product and it produces and distributes the new product on a huge scale to advertise the new product on the mass media like TV, radio, newspaper and magazines, etc. Product screening. In product screening, products are evaluated according to a certain set of criteria on whether they will be successful in the marketplace. Product generation. Product generations are always based on a reference product that defines large parts of the basic structure. Next question. A currency that plays central role in the foreign exchange market. Answer is vehicle currency. Other options are black currency, foreign currency, domestic currency. Black currency क्या होती है? Black money includes all funds earned through illegal activity and otherwise legal income that is not recorded for the purpose. Vehicle currency. Vehicle currency is a currency which is extensively used by the traders and bankers in international trade transaction. It plays central role in the foreign exchange market. It is used as an international medium of exchange, that is dollar. Foreign currency. Foreign currency is that currency which is used in other countries and not in your own, that is dollar, euro, pound, etc. Domestic currency. Domestic currency is that currency which is legal tender in the economy and issued by the monetary authority for that economy. The Indian rupee is the official currency of Republic of India and is issued by Reserve Bank of India. Next question. Which of the following is not a big five factor? एक्स्ट्रावर्जन, एग्रीएबल, इमोशनल स्टेबिलिटी, सेल्फ मॉनिटरिंग. तो सेल्फ मॉनिटरिंग इसका आंसर है. बिग फाइव इज अ ट्रेट ऑफ पर्सनैलिटी ओशन मॉडल. ओ फॉर ओपननेस टू एक्सपीरियंस, सी फॉर कॉन्शियसनेस, ई फॉर एक्स्ट्रावर्जन, ए फॉर एग्रीएबलनेस, एन फॉर न्यूरोटिसिज्म, इमोशनैलिटी. गिवन बाय लुइस गोल्डबर्ग, अमेरिकन साइकोलॉजिस्ट. तो ओपननेस टू एक्सपीरियंस क्या होता है? इफ पीपल स्कोर हाई इन दिस फील्ड देन दे ट्राई आउट न्यू थिंग्स, क्रिएटिव एंड क्यूरियस. Conscientious. People scoring high are determined and goal oriented, do planned activity, more attention to detail. Extraversion, feel comfortable around lots of people. Agreeableness, people scoring high are more likely to be patient with others.